Made from 100% recycled fibers, FloorLyft is a premium 1/4 inch thick acoustical and insulating fiberboard that can be used underneath a variety of floor coverings. FloorLyft offers easier handling and better value than commonly found cork, wood fiber, rubber, and plywood materials on the market. Its patent-pending lightweight construction allows it to maintain its shape and functionality, while also allowing for safe and ease of handling and cuts with a utility knife. This means little to no mess and cleaner air quality with no masks or extra equipment required while installing the fiberboard panels. First, make sure the subfloor is properly prepared according to the flooring manufacturer. Installations over concrete slabs must be checked for moisture emissions and addressed properly prior to installing the fiberboard panels. Always read all installation instructions completely prior to installing your materials. Plan your layout and use a fresh, new utility blade to trim any board that needs to be customized. Leaving a 1/4 inch gap between all perimeter walls in the panels. Lay each fiberboard panel perpendicular to the direction of your flooring, making sure to butt them tightly together. Stagger all short edge seams by 50% to avoid a grid-style layout. Next, tape all the long edges or continuous seams using a good quality duct tape that's a minimum of 2 inches wide. Lastly, install your flooring on top according to the manufacturer's specifications, making sure the long edge of the flooring seams are perpendicular to the continuous fiberboard panel seams. FloorLyft Premium Acoustical and Insulating Fiberboard. Simple, safe, better.